I'm going to strip this down and see how it works. So I'm going to take it apart. There seems to be a problem here. Not sure what that is. So I'm going to take it apart and we're going to take this top off. Hopefully nothing will spring out. It doesn't. So let's just have a look and see what I've got. Let's put it up there. We have the two very large springs. That's for this part. And you can see what would happen if I turn that. Let's just, and you can see what happens there. So that will turn and this part will move in. Right. The key will go into this section here, or I expect it's double-sided, so you can go in this section here as well. There, just there. So let's now just take it apart and see how it works. I've got this part here, I'm going to do it like so, put it that way around. Right. That's out. That one, and we've got that one there. And it looks like we've got a final one, which is here. So that part here is for the key, and it tells you what type of key it would be. And it will tell you the shape. And this will tell you the shape, what the key needs to be for it to turn this section here. Now we've got this part here, this is the lock. And this here. And we've got a, again, rather large spring, different than the other one. There. That will go on there, and then we've got this section here, and I said earlier about the springs, so we can take it all apart. There you go there. You can take this part out if it was damaged. Let's put it on the back. So let's see if I can put it back together. We have these springs. And I've got this one, this little plastic part.
Make sure the spring is inside. There. Try to put it in order. There. There.
That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.